We will start our session with one more program, C++ program, that is to generate Fibonacci series. You know what is Fibonacci series? Here, the Fibonacci series, it starts with the term 1, this is 0, and second term is 1. And next term will be getting by adding the previous two terms, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 3, and 3 plus 2 5, and so on. So this is called as Fibonacci series. In Fibonacci series, this is called first term. First term is always 0, second term is always 1. So next term, the third term, we will obtain by adding the previous two terms. For example, 0 plus 1 is 1, and this is your third term. Next again, another term will be, we are getting it, we will get fourth term by adding previous two terms. Like this is 1 plus 1, 2, and here we will get 1. Next one is to get 3, we have to add 2 plus 1 is 3. And to get 5 here, or to generate 5, we have to add previous two values, 3 plus 2, 5. And so on, we can generate up to a limit n. So this is a Fibonacci series. So here, what is the logic for this program? The logic here is, this is the first term, let it be 0 at the beginning, and second term is always 1. Second term is 1. So we are getting third term by adding first and second. So here, first this one you have to print this term. You print, this is a term. After printing this, we have to add these two, first and second term, to get third number or third term. So after this, so this process has to continue till we reach the limit or the given limit n. See here, after this, look at the example here. So next, if I want to get, this is a third term. In order to get third term, we have to add previous two term. So this becomes your first term, this is your second term. So here, please observe that here second terms becomes first term and third terms becomes second term. So we have to add first plus second term in order to get third term. So that is what you have to write here. So after this third term, we have to print the third term. Then after this, next we have to replace this. So here, first value is your second number or second term, and second term will be the third number or third term. So once your second number will be the first number and third number will be the second number. So we have to add f plus s or first and second term to get next term. So this process continue till we reach the given limit n. Now we have to write a program to generate Fibonacci series. Program starts with header file hash include iostream.h hash include conio.h, and we can include one more header file hash include iomanip.h. These are the header file. Next, program starts with void main, opens the floor bracket, and here we can make use of clear screen function. This is to clear the output screen. Next one is we have declare variables. Here we are declaring the variables int, n is the limit, I is the loop control variable, and here terms f1 for first term, f2 and f3, this is third term. So next one is we have to display a message to enter a number n or the limit. So here cout enter the limit. Enter the limit and here semicolon. Next we have to make use of input statement C in n. This is to accept the limit. Next let us assume that the first number f1 will be 0 at the beginning and second term will be 1. See out the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is, close the quote, endl. Next we have to print the terms. See out f1. Then I am using here a manipulator, set width. Then next f2 is the term and here again set width of size 10 semicolon. For loop, for here for I equals to 3, third term. We have printed first and second term here, f1 and f2 second term. Now we have to start printing from term 3. So here I is equal to 3 semicolon I less than or equal to n. This is the limit and here I plus plus and I plus plus, open the bracket here, f3 the third term equals f1 plus f2. Now we have to print the third term f3 and here set width and semicolon. Next after this we have to initialize the variables, to assign the variables. f1 equals f2 semicolon, f2 equals f3 semicolon. We have to close this for loop here. We are closing this for loop. Then we have to close the program with get ch function semicolon. I am closing void main. So this is a program to generate Fibonacci series up to the given limit n. So now let us see what would be the output of the program. The output of the program would be, first we will get a message, enter the limit. Enter the limit. Then we are supposed to enter number, for example 5. If I say 5 and press enter key, then it generates the series starting with 0, 1, next term is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So it will stop at 3 because number of terms is 5 or the limit is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it stops at 5th term up to the limit, given limit n5. This is the output of the program. Now let us try the program in computer. Students, now we will show you how to work out C++ program in computer. Dear students, welcome to our online practical classes. Let us try a program. Students, first on your desktop screen you find an icon as a DOS box icon, that is C++ software. You have to double click on this icon, so it opens a C++ screen. So here first, here is the place we have to type the programs. Now we have to start with new file. We have to go to menu file and new. It opens one window, is a new window. You can enlarge the window. And here is the place we have to start typing our C++ program. Now we have to start typing program. So this is a program to find or to generate Fibonacci series. To generate Fibonacci series. The program starts with header file hash include iostream.h, another header file hash include conio.h, then void main function, void main, open this bracket, clear screen to clear the output screen. Next, declaration of variables. I am using variables n, comma I is a loop control variable, f1, comma f2 and f3 are the three variables. Next, we display a message, cout, enter the limit, close the quote, semicolon, and here we have to read the values, that is C in n. N stands for the limit. Next, first f1 equals to 0, this is the first element of the series, f1 equal to 0, f2, this is the second element of the series, that let it be 1. So, this is supposed to be 1. So, we have to print these two values, cout the Fibonacci series is, and close the quote with endl statement, it is a manipulator, endl semicolon. We have to print f1 and f2. Cout the first term is f1 operator, then we are using set w function with size as 10 or space as 10 and another variable or another term f2, second term f2, set width again a space of 10, then semicolon. Next, we are using for loop here. For I is a loop control variable, we have to start with third term. So, the I is equal to 3, semicolon, I less than equals to n. This is the limit. This is the limit. Up to this limit, we have to generate this Fibonacci series, semicolon, I plus plus. Here, open the bracket. We have to add the first and two term, that is f3 equals f1 first term plus second term f2. Then we have to print this third term, that is cout f3 with the operator and set width of space 10, semicolon. Then we have to interchange the values of, we have to interchange first and second term here. So, we have to assign second term to first term, f1 equals to f2. We are assigning second term to first term and we are assigning third term to second term, that is f2 equals f3, and we are closing the for loop here. Next, we are closing the program with getCH function, semicolon, then we have to close the main void main bracket here. So, this is the program here, and here after this we have to save the file, program, save as. Here we have to give the file name. If I say, for example, I am giving the file name as fib.cpp. CPP is the extension name of C++ file. Then you have to click on OK. Then next step is for compilation. Go to compile, then select Alt F9 or compile option here. So, it shows the error here. Press any key. Now check for the errors here. It says undefined symbol D. So here is a mistake. Press enter. Now here this is supposed to be with double quote. This is supposed to be in double quote. Now again compile the program. Again it's 5 errors. Again we have to correct the mistake. It says function should have a prototype. The problem is with the header file. We have to include one more header file here, iomanip.h. So hash include iomanip.h. This is the header file. Then again compile the program. Compile. Now it says 3 errors. Again you have to check for the errors. Here the operator, here the mistake in the cout statement. Here there should be 2 angle bracket here. So again compile the program. Again 3 errors. Here set w, there is a mistake in the set w. It's supposed to be set w. We have to correct it. Set w. Again compile the program. Now it says one more error, statement is missing. You have to press the enter key. Now here there is no semicolon here. This is the error. So have to type the semicolon. Again compile the program again. Now it says success, press any key. Now it says no error. Now I have to press any key. Next step is we have to run the program. So here run, have to select run here. So it will ask the limit here. So I have to give the number of terms. If I say for example 5 terms, so it generates the series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. There are 5 terms here. So this is a program to generate Fibonacci series as per the limit given here. In this limit is 5, it generates 5 terms. Then press any key, it goes back to the program. Again go to file, select file option here. If Alt F, then quit. So it will come out of the C++ software. So now it is in the DOS prompt. Here you have to type exit to come out of this DOS prompt. Now it will come back to the desktop screen. So this is how we execute programs in computers. Thank you very much.